Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to add a text message on your timeline. Open the DaVinci Resolve. You need to make sure you should be on the edit page. If you're already on the effects library, then it's fine. Otherwise, you need to click on the effect library. You need to click on the text and drag it to the timeline. Click as a select on the text. You need to go to the top right side of the text message menu. You can type everything, whatever you want, and as soon as you can see that during the typing, if you go for end of the line, just press enter, and to make sure that your text message is going to be fit in your screen. After you have typed your text message, then you can select your color by pressing the color. Choose your color, whatever you want. And press OK after this selection. You can adjust your font size by pressing mouse key. You can drag it left or right to make it small or big. Otherwise, you can double click on the box and select all and directly type with the numbers like 100 or 90 or whatever you want, and press enter. After that, you will see the numbers. They are adjusted your font size, and your font is showing like smaller or bigger according to your size. And if you want to add another text message, you can do the same thing. Just click on the text and drag it to the timeline and type your message. Here's the same thing again. You can click on the color and select your color, whatever you want. And this is the same process. You can add another text message in there. Now I'll show you how to fade in and fade out of your text message by pressing the mouse key on each text message of the top right and top left corners. Just click and drag to the left and right, as you can see in this video. Then I will click on play. As you can see, then how does it look like? As you can see, appearance of the first text message is coming slowly on, then it goes fade out, and then the next message comes on slowly and goes off. After all these settings, if you think this project is ready, and you can just go and click on the start point by pressing the I key on the keyboard as an in, and click on the end of the video as shown, and by pressing O key on the keyboard as a out or end. Now you need to press on the deliver, which is on the bottom right. Now this page will take you to the main menu for rendering or saving this project wherever you want to save, and with the title, whatever you want to put the title on. For example, you are sending this video to the YouTube, then you can select the YouTube, and also you can just follow the steps as shown. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss my other contents. See you in the next videos.